Hi everyone, this is Asha. I'm a content writer and a blogger. I've had a long stint with corporate service industry, working in the operations management area. I switched my career to content writing to create a balance between family and work. I have been blogging for about 4 years now, writing SEO optimized articles and website content. I recently started my own blog and wanted to design my website, create beautiful blog posts, beautiful pages, design everything on my own. That is the reason I enrolled for the 6-day workshop on Elementor by Jackson. And Jackson covered all the basics as well as important topics of Elementor, creating header, footer, creating different pages, blog posts, creating custom templates, landing pages, pop-ups, etc. So it was a very systematically designed workshop. He would cover topic one by one and have a Q&A session for each topic, clear all our doubts. And in case we lagged behind in practicing on one topic and asked questions about sessions that were held 2-3 days back or 2-3 sessions back, he wouldn't hesitate to answer any of the questions. Jackson is highly professional, very organized, hands-on with Elementor, and a very considerate person as well. He made sure that all our doubts were cleared and is always open to take any questions. If you want to learn Elementor, Jackson is your guy. So I would like to thank Jackson for teaching Elementor so patiently and meticulously. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, Jackson.